Welcome to our kitchen tale. Ngayon po, tayo ay magluluto ng kalderetang manok. Ito po yung mga ingredients. 1 kilogram chicken, 2 medium-sized potatoes cut into cubes, a medium size of carrot cut into cubes, a medium size of bell pepper cut into pieces, 5 cloves of garlic minced, a medium of onion cut into strips, 70 grams of cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of tomato sauce, half a cup of water, 1 can liver spread, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, lastly a teaspoon of salt and pepper. Ngayon po, let's start to cook. Una po muna nating igigisa yung bawang at sibuyas. Sinasabi po nila na ilagay na po natin yung bawang habang hindi pa gaanong mainit yung ating kawali upang sa gayon po ay hindi mag-evaporate agad ang lasa ng bawang. Pag medyo naluluto na po yung bawang, isunod na po natin ang onion. At pag translucent na po yung onion, pwede na natin ilagay yung chicken. Then, let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Ngayon po, pwede na po natin lagay yung soy sauce. Hayaan po muna nating kumulo for 1 minute and then let's add the tomato sauce. Let it simmer for 1 minute again para po maglasa po yung tomato sauce. Pwede na po natin ilagay yung water, a half a cup of water, and then stir it. Pwede na po natin ilagay yung potatoes and then let it simmer for 2 minutes. Pag medyo malambot na po yung potatoes, idagdag na po natin yung carrots. After a minute, pwede na po natin lagyan ng liver spread and cheese. Hayaan po muna nating malusaw yung cheddar cheese. Now, let's add sugar. Then, ilagay na po natin yung bell pepper. And then, let it simmer for 1 minute. Then, lastly po, yung salt and pepper. Ngayon po, pwede na yung ating kalderetang manok. Ito na po yung finished product, kalderetang manok. Thank you for watching. God bless!